What are you guys doing?
Hey guys,
You love your brother. Where are you going? Are you going to give him kisses?
Kisses, Mommy.
Oh, kisses to Mommy? Okay. Mwah. Thank you. Gonna give brother kisses?
Daddy kisses.
Oh, daddy kisses? Okay. Go give daddy kisses. Aww. How about now? Can brother have his kisses now? Oh. Nope. Moving on. He's moving on too.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Oh my, oh my, oh my.
How to do that? How to do that?
How did I do that? I just sorted. Oh.
Clean up.
Clean up. Make a stack.
Make it fat.
Good job. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Oh, somebody's excited. Good job. Hi, sweetheart. Yay! How many is there? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa, good job. Oh my goodness, Josiah. Where are you trying to go? What color?
What color?
What color is your shirt?
Color shirt.
What color?
Star.
A star. But what color is it?
Purple.
Purple. Good job. What color is this part? What color is that?
What color is that? Purple. Yellow.
Yellow. What else?
Green.
Yeah.
And blue.
And blue. Good job.